We are at 727 North 17th Street. We're just a half block from Fairmont Ave. Technically in Francisville, section of the city, but you could also argue we're in Fairmount, in the art museum. The art museum is that way. You can see Center City from here. A lot of people will walk here, or walk to Center City from here. Super walkable, and the little like commercial corridor slash town of Fairmount is just a block or two that way. Tons of bars, restaurants, convenience stores, the Ben Franklin Parkway. Just a beautiful neighborhood, very vibrant, and it's a very cool looking 6-unit property. A beautiful day. This front door locks, of course. This is the mailboxes for all the units. Not much common area other than these stairs. And now we're going to take you to the unit that you are viewing today.
Hello everyone. I'm on 17th Street in the Fairmount section of Philadelphia. I'm about to show you 727 North 17th Street, a 1-bedroom unit. The unit I'm about to show you is located at the back of this building. It is 1-bedroom unit. It has its own private space, a beautiful balcony, and it's a nice 1-bedroom unit. Here is the entrance door. Just came from there, 17th Street. As I get in, you see this beautiful, very nice private space for this unit resident. The unit is this one. The unit number is 1R. And here is what it looks like from this angle. It's a very nice and clean private space. It's a beautiful day today. It's just a perfect day to enjoy a natural, fresh air here. And as now I will show you the inside of the unit. As you walk in, the unit has a hardwood floor, a high ceiling. This is the living area. Huge window for the natural light. And the unit also has a washer and dryer. This is the living area. Here on my right I have a bathroom. On the left I do have a kitchen. Nice kitchen. You have a lot of storage cabinet space. A gas oven, built-in microwave, and a refrigerator. This is the angle from the kitchen. Next is the bathroom. We have this beautiful bathroom. Tile wall. Very nice bathtub. Tap and shower combo. We have my sink, a mirror a very good sized bathroom. Then the last room I would like to show you is the bedroom. The bedroom also has a huge window for natural lights. Very nice sized bedroom. Now ceiling fan here. The unit has central air heat, but a window unit for the air. Alright, here on my right hand side, you have this big storage space, closet space. Nice size closet space. You also have here additional shelf for storage. Alright, I just showed you a one bedroom unit in one of the most desirable area. I thank you. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.